Next, we will demonstrate the buttonhole stitch. Using 4 strands of floss, color number 7. Bring the needle through at right end. Then bring the needle down below. Be careful not to pull too tight. Leave a little floss on the fabric. Bring the needle through above the line. Let's show it again. Bring the needle down at the lower line end. Bring the needle through above the line. Pull the floss tight. Follow this method. Complete the remaining pattern. Keep the stitches tight while working. Let it form interlocking loops. Secure the edges. The buttonhole stitch has dense stitches, perfect for making strong seams. Use it to finish fabric edges. The finished edges look neat and strong. Bring the needle down here to secure. The buttonhole stitch is now complete. Let's see the finished work.